hotel had its origins in the late 19th century when mining tycoon and U.S. Senator James Graham Fair purchased the land with plans of building a grand estate. But he died in 1894 before any construction began. His daughters commissioned the construction of a hotel bearing their family name. The name Fairmont combines their surname Fair with Mont, reflecting its hilltop location. Tony Bennett first performed I Left My Heart in San Francisco on December 28, 1961, at the Venetian Room in San Francisco's Fairmont Hotel. This debut performance was attended by then-Mayor George Christopher and future Mayor Joseph Alioto. The song quickly became his signature piece and an enduring anthem for the city. Construction was nearly complete when the devastating earthquake and fire of 1906 struck San Francisco. While the building's exterior withstood the quake, the interior suffered extensive fire damage. Architect Julia Morgan was hired to oversee the restoration. The hotel opened its doors on April 18, 1907, exactly 1 year after the disaster, symbolizing the city's rebirth. The Fairmont was added to the National Register of Historic Places on April 17, 2002. It is a member of Historic Hotels of America, the official program of the National Trust for Historic Preservation. Yes. There are a number of small boutique shops carrying high-end products for high-end prices, but it's worth having something you've purchased at the Fairmont. There is an herb garden outside that grows fresh herbs for the restaurants. It's a good thing you can't go out there, as they also have several beehives. In 1945, the Fairmont hosted international statesmen for meetings which culminated in the creation of the United Nations. Finessing of the United Nations Charter was conducted in the hotel's garden room, and a plaque at the hotel memorializes the event. I left my heart in San Francisco. Yes, I am standing on the very spot where Tony Bennett first sang his iconic song that made him world famous and made San Francisco world famous. I'm at the Venetian Room and I'm here on the stage. So if you would like to sing on the stage of the Venetian Room, just come on down early in the morning and you can sing as well. The Venetian Room is a great place for company conventions and meetings. It's even an awesome place to have a wedding. Fairmont has hosted U.S. presidents during their visits to the Bay Area. Presidential guests include William Howard Taft, Herbert Hoover, Franklin D. Roosevelt, John F. Kennedy, Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush, Bill Clinton, Barack Obama, and even Joe Biden. During the holidays, the Fairmont is noted for its gingerbread house, which you see people building it here. Established in 1945, the Tonga Room transformed the hotel's indoor pool into a tropical-themed bar and restaurant, featuring a floating stage for live music and simulated thunderstorms. It has been a beloved San Francisco institution for decades. It is a bit old-fashioned, and the hotel at one time thought of closing it. But the people came to the rescue, and the hotel has decided to keep it.
Hi there. Thank you for keeping your door.
We're not open today.
I know. Oh, you're not open at all?
No.
What days you?
Wednesday through Saturday.
When you come to San Francisco, do yourself a favor and stay at the Fairmont Hotel. Yes, it is a bit pricey, but aren't you worth that kind of luxury? Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Doesn't cost anything, and it sure does the channel a world of good.